Like fruit has sugar in it, but you'll look at the thing that says added sugar.
But the sugar in fruit is a good sugar.
It's a good sugar, but in moderation.
In moderation.
So like I don't do melons. I just do blueberries because I know they're good for me. I'll do bananas. I do strawberries. I'll do kiwi. Kiwi's very good for you.
Okay.
Very healthy for you. I'm not a melon guy. There's too much fructose in there. Because remember, there's a difference between sugarcane sugar, and fructose. Fructose is God's sugar, but in moderation. Everything's moderation.
Sugar withdrawal, is it a real thing?
See, one thing about sugar, it puts you on a high, but it's a temporary high for energy. But then you come back down.
So if I really wanted to change my diet, do I have to fight through it for a couple of weeks?
It's a slow progression. You should be doing a regimen of exercise and eating good and drinking a lot of water. You could do a 15-minute walk, a power walk. I don't like to run. I don't believe in running because then you wear your joints out. But I love power walking. I'll power walk because I'm getting my heart rate up. Because your heart is a muscle, right? You want to exercise your muscle in your heart. And just what I noticed that you need, another thing too is, I also learned, this is something I learned maybe about a couple months ago.